Well, hello, welcome back to English for Life. So today we would like to talk about tips and tricks to encourage your TOEFL score. And actually, why we need to encourage our TOEFL score? Why? Actually, if you want to apply a scholarship or if you want to study abroad, you will need a good TOEFL score, okay? Or even if you want to work in the company, one of the requirement is about TOEFL score. So that's why it's better for you to have a good TOEFL score, okay? Well, here the first tip for you all guys. Please make sure that before you start the TOEFL test, you have to have a good energy, you have to have a good stamina. You can start by having a breakfast maybe, you can start by having an exercise. Why it is very important for us guys? Actually during the TOEFL test you will spend your time to think too much, okay? So it's better for you to have a good condition during this test, okay? And for the second tip is about well preparation. Make sure that before you start the TOEFL test, you have already prepared your pencil, your ballpoint, your tip X. Okay, well, let's talk about the trick to the listening questions. Actually, in the listening questions, there will be three parts. There are part A, part B, and part C. So let's talk about part A first, right? So for the part A, there will be 30 questions. And the question is about conversation in the daily life and daily activities from two speakers. So in this case, you have to remember that the answer is in the second speaker. So you just need to pay your attention to the second speaker because there will be the answer from the second speaker. Okay, well, actually in the listening questions there will be instruction, okay, from the speaker. So during the speakers read the instructions, you may read the multiple choices first. Please, you don't need to waste your time too much in these listening questions, okay? So after you hear about the conversation, you can directly answer the multiple choice, okay? Well, okay, in the part A, you should avoid similar sound. Why? Actually, if the speaker said A, you have to choose in the multiple choice the B1. Okay, you got my point guys. So you may choose like the synonym, you may choose the similar meaning from what the speaker said in the conversation. So do not choose the exact pronunciation, do not choose the exact word from the conversation in the part A. Well, let's move to the part B of the listening questions. Actually in this part there will be a question that you have to answer. So the question is about long conversation between two people, okay? So the thing that you have to do is about please make sure that you have a good comprehension from the conversation. You can start by having a 5W 1H term, okay? So make sure that during you listen the conversation, you have to state 5W 1H in your mind. Please answer this term based on the conversation. So it will be very easy for you all to answer the multiple choice. Well, let's move to the part C. Actually, in this part, it's not really different with the part B. The thing that makes it different is about only the topic, okay? So in the part C, the topic is about academic case monologue from the one speaker. It's a long monologue, okay? So the way to do this part is similar with the part B. The thing that you have to do is you have to use 5W plus 1H to answer the questions, okay? So during you listen the monologue, please use 5W plus 1H to find the answer based on the monologue, okay? Well, let's move to the structured questions. Actually in this part there will be 40 questions that you have to do guys. So the question are mostly about subject and verbs. So you have to remember that minimally one sentences must have one subject and one verb. So if you find like there is no subject, just find in the multiple choice which one is the subject. If there is no verb, you just need to find in the multiple choice which one is the verb. Mostly the question will be like that, okay? So for the reading questions, there will be 50 questions that you have to do guys. So the thing that you have to do is about please read the question first before you read the article or before you read the paragraph. Why? Because after you read the questions and you have already found the keyword, please find the keyword inside the article, so it will make you easy to find the answer from the multiple choice. Okay, well guys, that's gonna be all for the tips and trick to encourage your TOEFL score. Hope it helps. So thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.